make my wig go from Johnny Bravo to Arrogant Tay.
Broke off your back, you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? I know you. Anytime you're ready.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So let me know if you guys like the quality of today's video. If you guys hear a little clicking sound, I believe it's my lens trying to autofocus. I'll try to fix it. I'm so sorry if y'all can hear it. I hope y'all can't hear it. But welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, y'all. It's 2022. It's official this year. We coming with that heat. So as you can see from the title, today's video is going to be all about my favorite hair products for the year 2021. And I'm sorry if y'all hear Louie in the back. He's eating really good. So yeah, so today's video is going to be all about my favorite hair products for the year 2021. Y'all, all of these products are available at your local beauty supply, and I will also link them down below. You do not have to click the link in my description bar. You can go to your local beauty supply, like it's whatever, but I have to put y'all on to these products that has changed my life. So before we even hop into today's video, y'all know I gotta give a big shout out to today's sponsor, which is Dossier. If you don't know what Dossier is, you must be new to the channel because I've been promoting Dossier for the past year now. I love Dossier and I have their empty perfume bottles all over this house. It's pretty sickening. But if you don't know what Dossier perfume is, you guys, they are a luxury dupe perfume company, you guys. They make the same scent as these high-end brands, Tom Ford, Chanel, all these big names, they have a dupe for, okay? So if you don't want to go out and spend $100+ on perfume, girl, go to Dossier's website. I will leave my coupon code down below and on the screen. So they sent me 2 perfumes to try out and add to my collection. So they sent me the Oriental Cherry. I thought it was Floriental, excuse me. The Oriental Cherry. And this is the dupe to the Tom Ford Lost Cherry Eau du Parfum. I'm so excited to add this to my collection, you guys. I actually did shower and I didn't put nothing on. So let's go ahead and, oh my God. This smells like money. This smells like success in 2022. So each one of Dossier's perfumes comes in a little 50 ml bottle, and it comes with a magnetic top, and it also includes a card that has the top notes, the middle notes, and the base notes. Next scent that they sent me, ooh, Gourmand White Flowers. This is inspired by the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb, and this is crazy because I've never smelled Viktor & Rolf. I've always wanted to try that perfume, but I just never went to go buy it. But all my favorite influencers swear by Viktor & Rolf. So that's good. I'm happy that I have the cheaper version because I don't know about y'all, but I got bills and yeah. So this is the Gourmand White Flowers. Oh my God. Oh my God. So thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. Y'all know I love Dossier. I swear by Dossier. I spend my own money on Dossier. Hopefully they sponsor me throughout this year. We don't know. But thank you so much, Dossier, for real. I really appreciate all the support from Dossier, and their customer service is amazing. Their products are amazing. The shipping is fast. I have absolutely no complaints. So let's get into why y'all clicked this video. I have spent money on Bold Hold, all these big name hair products and all that shit. Let me tell you something. I'm coming to give y'all the tea, the beauty supply store tea. Y'all know when I first was doing wig reviews, my hair was looking a little busted, but I finally learned how to melt my wigs down. I no longer pay people. I'm not paying nobody to do shit for me. I'm doing it myself. I don't care. I just had this mentality like, you know what? I don't care if it takes me forever to learn how many wigs I gotta mess up. I'm going to learn how to do my wigs, and I finally learned. I didn't do my baby hair today though, so don't judge. But I finally learned, so yeah. So the first product, oh my God, I don't even know where to start, bitch. All right, so we're gonna start off with this product. Well, actually, I really wanted to tell you guys about this brand. So this brand is called Curl Mix. Tiaja actually put me onto this brand, y'all, and I'm not even joking. This, yo. All right, well, let me back up. Y'all know that I want to cut my hair off, which I am planning on doing next month. I do plan on cutting all my hair off. No, there's not one product that I put in my hair that made me love my natural curly hair until I went and invested in Curl Mix. The only downside to Curl Mix is that they come in these little bottles. To me, this is a little bottle. I'm used to the big ass Tresemme bottles. I'm not used to the little skinny bottles. So I don't remember how much I paid. It came in like a set of 4. It came with a shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, and I believe is this the gel? This is the moisturizer. Then it came with a gel. But yo, y'all, like it makes my hair so soft, so curly, so beautiful. But the only con is that I go through product really fast, and it's not that cheap. So if you guys are looking to really take care of your natural hair, baby girl, please listen. Go try the sample size. They have sample sizes on their website. Go try Curl Mix, and please, if you've tried Curl Mix, comment down below and let them know I'm not lying, because I know somebody's gonna be like, she capping. I'm not capping. I'm dead ass. Like, Curl Mix is like, let me tell you how good it is. It's so good, you guys. I don't want to use any other hair shampoo or conditioner. Curl Mix is my life. All right, we're gonna get into the wigs, y'all. Y'all know, so a lot of times, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of tea. Thumbs up. A lot of times when these hair companies send you wigs to like do promo, y'all, the hairlines be looking like Johnny Bravo. The knots be big as shit and black as hell. Like it be looking like a Jamaican lace front. It don't look good at all. Like it don't look good. I finally learned how to bleach my knots, but when they come, when it's a little over bleached, I found a secret way to tone that shit down, and that is purple shampoo. I'm pretty sure I'm late to the game, but this video is for people that's not tracking. They don't know what to do. Purple fucking shampoo, y'all. This is the L'Oreal Paris Ever Pure purple shampoo. Y'all, really, it don't matter what purple shampoo you use, but use purple shampoo. So as soon as I finish bleaching my knots, I put the shampoo on the lace and I scrub, y'all. I be like scrubbing, like I'm scrubbing. And then I also like to put some in the roots of the wig, and then I like to like go like this, just so I can get that brassy orange ass look out my wigs, and it can look fully like transparent HD, like stop playing. So I'm telling y'all, if you bleach your knots, you need purple shampoo. Do not skip that. I can't talk. Do not skip this step, you guys. You can order. I ordered this on Amazon. Go on Amazon or click the link down below and get you some purple shampoo. It's really like super simple, like for real. Then we gotta go to my baby mama, which has got to be the blasting free spray. I just call it free spray. Y'all, so if I need to do a wig install for like a day or a couple hours, or I'm just doing like a quick wig install video, I'm gonna use Got To Be, because it melts my hair, number one. Number two, it secures my wig down. Louis. All right, so yeah, I really love Got To Be, you guys. If you guys like, at first I thought I was allergic to wig glue because my hairline would break out, but I'm gonna tell you about that a little bit later. I was allergic to wig glue, but while I thought I was allergic to wig glue, I was using Got To Be to lay my hairline. The only con is that this doesn't last too long. If I hop in the pool with Got To Be, my wig might, shift up. But I also use this for like my edges, for work. What else I use this for? I use this to mold a style if I'm doing a wig style, and like I need I use this as well for that. But I love Got To Be. I'm pretty sure y'all use Got To Be, or you've seen Got To Be. If you've never heard of Got To Be, where the fuck do you live, girl? Next, we are moving on to this product that I fucking hated. I hated this product in the beginning, but then I eventually fell in love with it. So this is the Olive Oil Super Hold Wig Grip Gel. I got it from the beauty supply. This was $8. So initially when I bought this, I tried it, but I was rushing and it looked a mess. I was like, what is this? Like, it's not securing my wig down. Me and my homegirl was like, this is garbage. We're gonna throw it away. But then I ended up not throwing away mine, because I'm fake. I'm not throwing it away. I'm gonna figure it out. So I finally learned how to do it. So you put this on your hairline and then you blow dry it. Blow dry it. It gets tacky, then you put your wig and then you press it down. Like, you could use like a rat tail comb to press it down. Now, I guess I was rushing or something, but this right here, this is the definition of melt, you guys. This is better than Got To Be. This is like melt. You can add layers to make a more secure hold, but I'm not doing all that. But this right here is a secret weapon, y'all. If you are on a budget and you don't like wig glue, use this, okay? Don't use the black Got To Be gel. Use this. This is lit. And it comes off pretty easy, honestly. I just use a conditioner and I scrub my scalp. And then my wig comes off. So it says that it is infused with castor oil for strengthening and hairline maintenance. And that's what the fuck it does. I'm telling y'all. It lays and grips lace frontals for flawless wig and weave application. And that's a fact. Shit is flawless. Like, I'm shook. And I'm actually surprised because I fucking hated it in the beginning. But if y'all want me to do a video on how to use this, smash the like button and let me know. Next. Where's my wig glue? Now I gotta go get that shit. Hold on, y'all. So this hair product is actually what inspired me to sit down and make this video, y'all. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't trust me, if y'all don't want to buy anything that I'm mentioning, please go out and buy this hair glue. I put my homegirl on her, she ain't believe me. This is the EbinNEwYork Wonder Lace Bond. Let me show y'all how the fuck it look up close. Come on, man. Come on, lens. I pray too much for you not to focus. There we go. Now, let me tell y'all. I went to the beauty supply to go buy the Bold Hold Liquid Gold and to go buy the Bold Hold, the little glue that look like this, right? But I'm like, you know what? Let me try a cheaper brand. I tried this brand, excuse me. This is the EbinNEwYork brand, right? Because I used to see a lot of girls doing videos on it. I'm like, that is cheap shit. That wax shit ain't gonna work. Y'all, I used this one time and I can never go back. Just because, number one, the price is like, I think $6. Number two, I got the Extreme Firm Hold version. Y'all, when I put this shit on my hair and I secure my wig, it's giving hat. It's giving you could get jumped by 10 girls and the shit's not coming off. That's what this product is giving. For real, for real. Like, I'm not joking. I put my homegirl onto it and she was like, damn, I feel like I had a hat on. Because your wig is just not gonna move. It's amazing. Now, the con, well, there's no con to this, but why I stopped using wig glue and I started using like gels and shit and got to be spray is because I don't know, it's just my hair be coming out like when I take off my wigs and it just be a lot. Let me tell you what else I found. This is a crack duo. This is the EbinNEwYork Wonder Lace Bond Remover. It's a yellow bottle, y'all. This was, I think, yeah, this was $12. Y'all, all I do is put it on my hairline. 2 seconds, wig slips off. There's no pulling my hair out anymore. I can keep my edges. Like, this product is absolutely amazing. And even when I'm like, when you guys like buy a wig for me, I would like remove the old glue with this and it comes off in seconds. The only con to this one though is use it for your wig. Don't use it on your hairline because my hairline, my hairline actually got hot. Like I put it on my hairline to like remove the wig cap, but my hairline got hot. So I was like, I'm gonna need this just for the wigs. But this right here, this is the crack cocaine. I used to pull my hair out so bad, y'all, until I fucking gave this a chance. And I think y'all need to give this a chance. I'm telling y'all. Yeah, so this is the, actually, this don't come in like levels. I guess it's just one hold or one remover. This shit is crack, y'all. These two, your wig is not going nowhere. Like I told you, you can get jumped, your wig not going nowhere. And then if you gotta like take your wig off in 2 seconds, girl, put this in your purse because it works. Next, it's some more crack. Some more addiction, girl. Another item from the EbinNEwYork line. Like, what's up with Eben? I don't need to order nothing online. I just need to go to my beauty supply because my beauty supply is the shit, obviously. This is the EbinNEwYork Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray, bitch. You don't even need to bleach your knots, girl. You go ahead and get this spray. I got this in the skin tone natural beige. Louis, I got this in the natural beige skin tone. Let me show you how I look. Y'all, I don't have to bleach my knots, which I do now all the time because I want my shit to look flawless. So you don't have to bleach your knots if you don't want to. If you don't know how to bleach knots or you're scared, you don't want to mess up your wig, go and get this lace tint. This lace tint was $10. Yeah, it was $10. Y'all, this shit make my wig go from Johnny Bravo to Arrogant Tay. Okay? Johnny Bravo, okay, you gotta plug your shit. Don't forget the plug. To Arrogant Tay, bitch. Johnny Bravo to Arrogant Tay. Do y'all hear me? You need this lace tint. I do wish I got a darker color because this is giving Karen. Let me show y'all. This is giving Karen, y'all. Like, what the fuck is this? Focus. This is giving Karen. What is this? But on the wig, you can't really know. Focus. On the wig, you can't really notice, so it doesn't really matter. But I absolutely love this. I purchased like a skin tint from the Shade Room. You know, they be promoting these companies. I brought one from them. This company, I think it was called like True Lace or some shit. And that's cool, but that was expensive. I think it was like $25. So I bought 2 shades. I spent $50 when I could have bought 5 of these and been good for like 9 months. You know what I mean? So I'm really trying to help y'all get some affordable dupes. You guys, go out and get you some Eben lace tint, bitch. All right, y'all, we got a couple more products and I'm gonna end the video. I know I'll be talking and all that. Next is my other crack product. I think all these shits are crack, but I'm really trying to put y'all on. I don't want y'all, because y'all be writing me, oh my God, your wig looks so nice. How do you, bitch, the video's coming. Here we go. This is the olive oil glossing hair polisher. This is what I use. You see how my hair looks shiny? This is what I use. But a little bit goes a long way. And this is absolutely perfect for you ladies that enjoy or that like super straight bone 32-inch. If you want that Jada Chi, whatever the fuck her name is. If you want that kind of look, you need to finish off your wig install with some olive oil hair polisher and use a little bit, because if you use a lot, you're gonna be looking, your hair gonna be oily and you're just gonna look dirty and you don't want to look dirty. The last product that I have to put y'all onto, I would be so fake, y'all. Y'all know, if you watch my wig installs, I struggle with doing baby hair. I fucking hate doing it. I can't do it like how everybody else do it until I came across this product. This is the Gorilla Glue Gel, Gorilla Snot Gel. Pretty sure y'all have seen this before. Absolutely amazing. I'm telling you, amazing. Now this I use for my baby hair going to work and also for wigs. I didn't feel like doing that shit today because I'm lazy. And yeah, but yeah, so this is what I use. I use a little bit. I use a baby flat iron and I curl the baby hair, and then I use this. Your baby hair is not going nowhere. You know when you in a club and you start sweating and your shit starts shifting? Your shit might shift, but your baby hair ain't going nowhere. Your baby hair is glued to your head, but it's glued to your head, but it's not giving that Bronx baby hair. You know what I'm saying? It's giving arrogante fluffy. Like this shit is like crack, but you can't use a lot because it's slimy. Like it's like really slimy. So use a little bit. But those are the products that I wanted to show you guys today. Those were the products in 2021 that I was like, damn, I ain't never used nothing else. Those are the products, y'all. So if y'all trust me, go out and try those products. I'm telling you, your money gonna be well spent. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys have any more video requests, please comment down below. Spam the comments and let me know what y'all want to see, because whatever y'all want to see is what I'm feeling. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.